Welcome to the Moto Review channel, a place for classic motorcycle lovers and the latest automotive innovations. Today, we will discuss something very special. The legendary motorcycle from Yamaha is back with a tempting new design. Introducing the 2026 Yamaha SR400 Neo Classic. Carrying the Neo Retro BRAT style, the latest SR400 looks fresher with a slim body, clean design lines, and a modern minimalist touch. Iconic colors such as glossy maroon, midnight black, and brushed silver now look attractive with gold or matte. Black accents, a slim tank with sharp curves, and a Yamaha heritage metal emblem are new characteristics that still maintain the classic. Character of the SR400, the double cradle frame is maintained, but is now made of lightweight chromoly steel. Inverted telescopic front suspension with scrambler-style cover and dual adjustable rear shocks. There is even a monoshock version available for a special edition. Its heart is a 400 SOHC one-cylinder air-cooled engine with the latest injection system. Equipped with a slipper clutch, eco and sport riding mode options, and electric start and kickstarter. Classic and modern come together. 8-inch spoke rims wrapped in semi-classic tires, equipped with front and rear disc brakes with dual-channel ABS. The hybrid speedometer with analog needle and small LCD further emphasizes the retro-futuristic feel. All lighting is now full LED, but still maintains the classic silhouette. There is even a hidden USB port under the seat. Practical and still neat. The vintage synthetic leather seat comes in single-seat or dual-seat options, with comfortable ergonomic foam. The riding position is made neutral, suitable for daily cows, riding to short touring. And most interestingly, Yamaha presents an official custom package. Want a scrambler, BRAT, or cafe racer style? All can be changed quickly with quick-release fenders, modular seats, and Yamaha racing exhausts. The 2026 Yamaha SR400 Neo Classic is not just a motorbike, but a style statement, ready to bring nostalgia with today's performance and features. Is this your next dream motorbike?